Hello, friends. Hi, guys. Hello, all YouTube viewers. Good morning to all. Good afternoon to all. Good evening to all. Namaste to all. Hello, friends. Welcome to Devarkonda Touch Tech YouTube English channel. DTT Info English channel. I am Devarkonda Muralidhar. You are watching Devarkonda Touch Tech YouTube English channel. Hello, friends. Today, let us know about coronavirus COVID-19. Full information today we will know it in this video. This is a part 1 video. Please watch end of this video without skipping, friends. And also my great request, friends, to all YouTube viewers, all friends, everybody, I am requesting you all, please support to my channel. This is my kind request. Always I am requesting you people, because if you support me, I can do more videos. If you encourage me, I can do number of videos. So whatever you are gathering, whatever you are requiring, whatever you are searching the different information in YouTube method or in YouTube channels, or in anywhere in Google search or in Facebook or in social media or in any websites, whatever you are watching, whatever you are searching the particular information, so regarding that information videos, if it is available in my channel, definitely please watch those information completely in every video. And also please encourage to my channel. Definitely I will make more videos for you people, friends, because that's why I am asking you, I am requesting you daily. I am always asking you people, please encourage my channel, please support to my channel. This is my kind request to you people. And also one more request, let me tell about a few points. Because of I am speaking in English now, friends. I don't know very well English. I can't speak perfectly, I can't speak fluently in English. So if I speak any wrong pronunciations in this video or in any video, or wrong pronunciation of words or sentences, of any wrong grammatical mistakes or wrong grammar in this video or in any sentences, please correct yourself with your English, any English dictionary, please. This is my kind request, friends. Or ask any knowledgeable peoples nearest you, your house nearest to you. So, and also please try to understand my language. So if I speak any wrong grammatical mistakes, please try to correct it yourself. Okay, let's go main topic, friends, without wasting your time. Please watch a small subscribe video, friends. If anybody is still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, friends. This is my kind request. And also please support my channel. Please subscribe to my Devarkonda Touch Tech Info YouTube English channel as well as Telugu channel also. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button below the beside the subscribe button, and hit that bell icon immediately and select the all option, friends. And after doing this method, you can get the immediate notifications or messages to your mobile before than all others, friends. Please subscribe to my channel, friends. Please subscribe to my channel. After few seconds let us know about coronavirus COVID-19. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please watch my videos on the Tech Info YouTube Telugu channel as well as English channel. Please, if you like this video, please share to your friends. Please share to your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. The Tech Info YouTube channel's complete guide channel, complete information, online history. Friends, if you open the YouTube website, so there you can find it my channel. Please type in search box Devarkonda Touch Tech Info here and you will get that my channel Devarkonda Touch Tech Info or DTT Info. Immediately you can get any of my video here also. And after opening that YouTube channel, after finding my channel, please check subscribe button right side here. See friends, please click on the subscribe button and then you can get the on right side bell icon, bell button. Please click that bell button immediately and select the all option or personalized according to your choice. And after clicking that option or method or button, immediately you will get the notifications or messages to your mobile than all others. Before than all others, it's my kind request. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, friends. Okay friends, you can see. So we are discussing about latest technology and news information. Already I have told in English main topics list. So that is number 18-A. So dash A means it is regarding English version, nothing but this is information, latest information or latest technology or any news, so which is very important and which is very highly important. That information definitely I will bring to you people, and also I will make video also. So small and little not more interested, not more important information I can't bring to your people, and also I can't make video also, which is very important, very high important news. That thing, that matter or that news, definitely I will make the video and I will update in my channel. Friends, let's go without wasting our time. See friends, on few points here. I have some info on all this Google site from google.com, some more information on health and family Ministry of Welfare Government in India site. This is the website, and another information world retrieved from www.who.int. So some information I have gathered from google.com and .mygov.in government website, and also some information from www.who.int. And also other related information in this video. Search Google for other important websites and collect data embedded in it. All this information is just public knowledge and for education purpose only. So this is this on behalf of my channel to the website owners who provided the information. My absolutely thank you for that, and also very great thankful to you people, website owners and all others. And also we are pleased that you can take note of this and understand its statement. For information you have embedded to me, my channel, I humbled and appeal to all those above who have no rights, privileges or responsibilities, because this is it means I don't have any responsibility, I don't have any rights. That is I am telling to those website owners, because I have collected the information to public people so to know the about coronavirus now. That's why I am telling to great thankful to you people, friends. You people means government websites owners and those department. Let's go. Please note that this information is provided to the public for knowledge and education purpose only, and please understand understand that all people understand this. So all this information is 100% true and proven, friends. So once again, know and understand who is responsible for your health problems or other public health issues, such as government instructions, orders, appropriate actions, advice, alerts, instructions, discipline, attention, patience, hearable, understanding people for every person, for all YouTube viewers, for Indian people, for foreigners, for all interested people, not interested public, is for everyone. All this is to be careful and understand the strict order and instructions of the government police department in accordance with the instructions of the government of India, respecting the duties of each to protect their lives and themselves. If there is no coronavirus similarly from others, coronavirus patients, it means to you, the government is telling the public to remember and protect the coronavirus virus and to give adequate instructions to protect the young children from every family. The government of India informs all people to know and follow the latest news every day through various social media networks, TVs such as TVs, newspapers, mobile phones, to suit your current situation. I also appeal to the public through my Telugu and English channel, Devarkun Touch Tech Info or Digit Info. Please follow and know the regular latest updates from the government websites which they have published about the coronavirus, and know it and take care about those things, and let us know remaining coronavirus things. Please read yourself, friends. So I don't have much time, because of if I read all everything means, if I tell everything means, the video length it increases to more than 1.5 hours. It means nobody can't view, nobody can't watch any video. So that's why I am pausing the video. So in that situation, please pause that video and read that information, friends. So friends, if anybody not subscribed still now, please subscribe to my channel. So below you can find the subscribe button below the video, and hit that subscribe button and click that subscribe button and hit the bell button immediately beside that subscribe button, and select all option, personalized option. Then you can get the mobile notifications or mobile messages to you people immediately if I do any new updates, new videos, new YouTube videos in my channel. Immediately you can get the messages. And if you like this video, please share to your family friends, your family members, or your friends, your neighbors, or your well-known peoples, friends. Okay, please all the links also, group links, everything I have given the below video in the description itself. You can find the Facebook groups, Facebook page, and WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. These groups links are also available in the description itself. You can just follow those groups and join that groups. And if you have any doubts and if you want to give any suggestions also, you can give in my channel also, in my groups group list also. You can ask. Definitely I will clarify your doubts. I will take your valuable suggestions, friends. So don't forget, friends, kindly don't skip my any videos. Otherwise you may get confused and you cannot understand perfectly and clearly. Therefore watch each video continuously and sequentially in each topic, friends. So this is my kind request. Don't skip in any of my video or in this video also. So number 18, latest technology and news information English. Friends, see full information about coronavirus COVID-19. What is coronavirus COVID-19? Where did it come from? How to take care from this coronavirus? How do we save our lives from coronavirus COVID-19? So in this video also I have added some pictures about coronavirus COVID-19. Please watch that video, watch that photos and understand that photos. So about the coronavirus medical pictures I have gathered from the Google, friends. So it is like this COVID-19. It will be like this picture. Coronavirus COVID-19 suspicious events, free data download. Coronavirus, this is a picture like that. It is approximately and also confirmed by the different private department, doctors also, and also some scientists also. They have found about the coronavirus picture, how it will be in the humans and also in the animals. How the coronavirus has been spreaded from animals to human and human to human. Okay friends, let us start again without further delay. COVID-19 information and resources. I have gathered coronavirus information from Google department and from other websites that who are explaining about latest virus or disease named as coronavirus COVID-19. Note: COVID-19 was first identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Friends, see coronavirus, World Health Organization, according to the situation, according to the correct information, they have found in China. So that place is Wuhan. Place is Wuhan in China in December 2019. So Wuhan is a geographical name. City in east central China at the junction of the Han and Yangtze rivers. So population nearly 86,63,500. So this information also collected from the different government websites. Note: Wuhan was formed from the formerly separate cities of Hangzhou, Hanyang and Wuchang, and is the capital of Hubei. So sorry for the disturbance, friends. Children making noise here. Please don't listen about the children noise. Our family members talks. Please keep concentration on my video. So like other coronaviruses, it originated in animals and then migrated to humans. In this case, it appears to have originated in the city of Wuhan in China. So many of those initially infected either worked or frequently shopped in the Hunan seafood wholesale market in the center of the city, so which also sold live and newly slaughtered animals. China's National Health Commission confirmed human-to-human transmission of the virus in January. So friends, see, so in some information, just I will pause the videos. I will pause the information. You please there you pause that video and read the information, friends. Okay, and there is no time to read or to tell complete information in this video. So what is COVID-19? COVID-19. So this is a picture. What is COVID-19? So this is the government website about COVID-19, friends. So according to the government record, this is the coronavirus report. So COVID-19 in India as on 21st April 20 evening 5 o'clock 17 a.m. 17 a.m. means 17 means in the evening according to GMT. So more than active cases, how many? 15,122. So active cases, and also 3,259 cured or discharged peoples, and also deaths nearly 603 and one migrated. So this is a chart, friends. So in different states also the coronavirus is spread like this, and corona cases also like this recorded, and also major in Maharashtra is very highest coronavirus records are gone. So because of in these cases Telugu people means if you see here Telangana also recorded in more than 919, and in Andhra Pradesh where it is Andhra Pradesh here Andhra Pradesh is 757. See, so Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and more cases in Maharashtra. So friends, this is the order and information from the government website. So please what I am telling means everybody if you go outside also, if you go outside to purchase or to take anything emergency purpose or anything important things, if you want to purchase from the shops, so according to the time sense, according to the time which is told by the government, so according to that time only in the morning itself you please purchase your required things, important things in the within the time, and don't neglect, don't go outside more and many times also to complete your works within the time. And also if you go outside, please wear like this, cover your nose and mouth with a cotton cloth or kerchief or any masks, good masks, any washable, any good masks, because of if you cover your nose and mouth means the coronavirus cannot come to you people. So if you have any coronavirus, you can't spread to other people. So if you don't have any coronavirus means also you please cover any good cloth, good kerchief or good masks, white masks, white cotton masks to your nose and mouth, because of it is very useful to stop the coronavirus or to avoid the coronavirus. This awareness only, and also take care about you people, because of nobody can't tell already public government also telling like this also. So this is just for awareness purpose I am telling to you people, and please care if you go outside. And also please make a distance, social distance, at least 1 meter or 3 feet from person to person. Otherwise it may spread, because of everybody is coughing and somebody has cold and somebody has a fever like that. No, if you speaking means some cough means it comes from the air, through air it comes now. So that air, if you fall on the any surface of the cloth or any instruments, any devices, if you touch that one means then immediately before washing itself, if you touch your hands, your fingers to your nose, mouth or nose or eyes, it compulsory, definitely spread the coronavirus to you people. Because of this is the awareness, how to avoid. If before touching that, you please before eating or after completion of going to the toilet also, you please wash your hands, and after coming to the house from outside, you please wash your face, wash your hands completely thoroughly, at least 30 seconds or 1 or 2 minutes, and you can touch anything and you can take care. So this is a good thing to avoid the coronavirus. So you no need to fear about the coronavirus, so you don't worry about the coronavirus. So coronavirus is a very dangerous disease, but you please take care. So if you take preventions, definitely it won't come to you people. so I can't tell anything. Please, I have given pictures here. So novel coronavirus, COVID-19 testing, when and how, so whom to test, so everything I have given here. You please pause it, and also you can read everything here. You can understand easily. So those who are interested and also not interested people, also everybody should know, everybody must and should know about this coronavirus, to take care about coronavirus, to stop the coronavirus, and from one people to another, one person to another person also. If you don't have the coronavirus also, you can't get that coronavirus unnecessarily from the other people, so who are having the coronavirus. So here some government also given the 1075 toll free number also, 01123978046. So please call. So if you have any coronavirus, if you have any health problems, so about the situation, according to the situation, please call to them, or inform to any known peoples, those who are having the trouble in, about the cough and cold and fever also. So this is for just knowing purpose I have told here. So novel coronavirus COVID-19, when to wear a mask. Everyone need not wear a mask. Only wear a mask if you have symptoms, cough, fever, or difficulty in breathing. So somebody has very difficult to breathe. So in that time also you definitely have to wear the mask and keep some distance, 1 meter distance or 3 feet distance from that person, or person to person in your family, or also in your neighbors, or in beside house, or upper flats or down flats, or anywhere. So in front of the house, or in public peoples, or in any street, or in outside also. So please make a distance. You are caring for a COVID-19 suspect confirmed patient. So you are a health worker attending to patients with respiratory symptoms. So like this, cough, fever, and difficulty breathing having, so definitely you can get that some coronavirus. So immediately you have to take the medical treatment. Otherwise, within 14 days or 1 to 14 days, the coronavirus, it will increase, and definitely it will spoil the life. It will spoil your complete life. Definitely, person will die. So don't worry. No need to fear. No need to fear about the coronavirus. If you take the correct preventions, correct careness, definitely you can away from that disease. So I'm just here. I'm moving quickly. Quickly. So if you if you traveling from outside, because of nowadays, so according to the situation by the government, lockdown is told. Lockdown is intimated to the public people. So no transport, nothing, no buses, no trains, and no autos, no any vehicles also riding on the roads, railway taxi, anything. So flights also not doing, some important flights and important only these are running. If you come from outside, definitely you have to wear mask also. So if you have means, you can wear the gloves also. It's very important to wear the hand gloves and also wearing the mask. Novel coronavirus COVID, protective measures against coronavirus, 1075 toll free number. Okay, study here, read well. There is enough of everything every day for everyone. Don't panic, don't rush, don't overstock. So everything here given. See, if you want to purchase anything from the shop, in the meantime only, in the correct time only, according to the government department mentioned the time, in the morning time, up to 9 o'clock, or according to the time what the government in that state or in the country also they have mentioned, the time only you go and purchase your required things from for your home, and don't go unnecessarily more times, 3 times, and number of times, 4 times, 5 times, or 10 times also unnecessarily outside, and wandering outside, and walking outside also. That is not at all good for your health, and it will spoil your life, and coronavirus also attack to you people because of if you walk outside, if you go outside. So that's why go outside only minimum time, 1 or 2 times, and get it immediately from from the required shops, nearest shops, and don't go far away. So nearest from your home. So which shops are available? What do you want to purchase? Those things only purchase immediately and stay at your home. And please make a distance. If you go outside, 1 meter distance from person to person, and wear mask also. If you have any glosses, hand gloves, wear hand glosses. The new coronavirus, now known as COVID-19, was first encountered in November 2019 and has gone on to affect over 4,25,000 people in over 150 countries around the globe, causing more than 18,000 deaths. See friends, like this coronavirus is a dangerous disease and spreaded all over world, not only in particular one district or one area or one state or one country. So most of the all of the countries it has been spreaded. So please take care. So the new coronavirus has affected more than 4,25,000 people across the globe, causing more than 18,000 fatalities. That means death. The virus can cause pneumonia-like symptoms. Those who have fallen ill are reported to suffer cough, fever, and breathing difficulties. In severe cases, there can be organ failure. As this is viral pneumonia, antibiotics are of no use. So the antiviral drugs we have against flu will not work. So if people are admitted to hospital, they may get support for their lungs and other organs as well as fluids. So recovery will depend on the strength of their immune system. Many of those who have died were vulnerable because of existing underlying health conditions. Okay friends. The name COVID-19 was announced on 11th February by the World Health Organization. So, WHO department, World Health Organization, they have announced on February 11th. And the Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. So, I don't know clarity to pronounce his good name. So, sorry for this. Mr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said, "We had to find a name that did not refer to a geographical location, an animal, an individual or group of people, and which is also pronounceable and related to the disease. Having a name matters to prevent the use of other names that can be incorrect or stigmatizing. It means so please understand here. So I don't know exactly that word meaning. Please find from the Google. COVID-19 India website links. So see friends, this is the government website links. You can find the latest information if you want to, and know day by day, every minute or so, every 1 hour. If you have leisure time, because of you are not going outside, number of times. So please get the information from these websites if you are interested, and know must and should. So mohfw.gov.in and www.mohfw.gov.in. So both are same website. So see here friends, this is on 20 April I have got the record I have taken from that website. So active cases nearly 14,255 and 2,841 cured, discharged, and 559 deaths and 1 migrant. So this information you can check it. So some videos are also available, and how to wash your hands for coronavirus. So to prevent the coronavirus, how to wash your hands. So they have made a video also, so you can watch it. And also our great cinema actor, Hindi cinema actor, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan sir also has given one video about the coronavirus prevention. Also please watch it. symptoms of coronavirus also is there video. So how it spreads, symptoms, these are the symptoms: dry cough, high fever, sore throat, difficulty in breathing, and how it spreads. So air by cough or sneeze. Sneeze means like coughing, and coughing is after coughing means separate. Sneezing means some sneeze comes from, so like that. And personal contact, and also contaminated objects, and also mass gathering. So some more people's gathering. So in that situation also, so coronavirus it comes, the symptoms it seems, it appears. So preventions, how to prevent? So wash your hands thoroughly often, and wear and face mask, and also if you have means gloves, hand gloves also wear it, and also avoid contact with sick people. So if you have anybody have the patients, don't go to the nearest that patients or sick people, and avoid those people. You can can't get that coronavirus or any other diseases. And also always cover your cough or sneeze. Because of don't give any shake hands, friends. Don't give any shake hands. Please try to give like a namaskar to anyone or any family members or related people, anybody, if you go outside. See here. And also one major Android app also created by the government, Arogya Setu app also, about COVID-19 coronavirus tracker, launch it to alert you and keep yourself. You can get the full information about the coronavirus COVID-19 in this app. Please download the app from the government website and watch every news about the coronavirus, and also where the coronavirus patients are available, so to whom they have attacked. So every information is available in the Arogya Setu app. Please share to your friends also, family members, everything, to your relatives also. They also know about that app to download and know the information. So see friends, this is the recorded from the government my.gov.in government website. So nearly 110 lakh plus 110 lakh people registered in this. 110 lakh means how many? Nearly 1 crore 10 lakhs, I think. 1 crore 10 lakhs 149 registered people, 7.12 lakhs submissions or in tasks, and also 42.9 lakhs comments or discussions have been done, and also 10.7 lakhs votes or polls have been. This is about Modi. Mr. Modi sir, also our Prime Minister of India. He has said more information, important information about the coronavirus COVID-19 also informed in this website. Also, please follow those instructions, those suggestions, those precautions, those preventions about the coronavirus. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has said. So this COVID-19 fact sheet is on 20th April 2020. So please read it, friends. I can't read it now itself because of no time. So COVID-19, get the latest information from the MOHFW about COVID-19. So this is the link, website link. Please click here and get the information from that website. So COVID-19 dashboard, so as on 17th April in this year, so in the morning 8 o'clock, so according to the world time GMT plus 5:30, so 11,201 active cases, 1,748 cured and discharged, 437 deaths, 1 migrated. So like this on 18th April also in the morning 8 o'clock, 11,906 active cases, and also 1,991 cured and discharged peoples, and 480 people's deaths and 1 migrated. So COVID-19 dashboard as on 20th April 2020. So 8 o'clock in the morning. Latest updates in India. So 14,175 active cases. So see friends, the difference between the before of what I told in before days. So how many cases, active cases have been done in our India, and also how many cured cases, how many cured people are mentioned or recorded according to the government website. So 2,546 cured are discharged and 543 deaths. So deaths are increasing and cured people also increasing, and also most active cases are increasing. It means coronavirus case also increasing day by day. So one migrated here. So that's why please take care at your home and inform to your people, inform your known people through phone or through messages. So COVID-19 dashboard as on 21st April recently. So in the 17 means evening 5 o'clock, latest updates in India. So 15,122 active cases, 3,259 cured are discharged, and 603 deaths on one migrated. So see friends, so this is the latest update in 20th April, and I told already 21st also. So this chart is available in the government website data.gov.in. You can watch here. So see Nagaland and Mizoram, and this is the Andhra Pradesh, and see this is the Telangana also available here. Tripura, Telangana is here. How many cases are reported? Health information, latest updates in India. India fights corona, COVID-19. So we have to spoil that coronavirus, or we have to prevent that coronavirus. So with the help of our efforts. So that means we have to take care and we have to tell to the information. So you should don't go outside and don't touch any person's hands, and make a distance at least 1 meter or 3 feet, so person to person. So in your family also, in your relatives, whoever may be in the world. So Government of India coronavirus help and information, Government of India coronavirus information in India. So you can get it from mygov.in. So COVID-19 alert, COVID-19 mygov.in. You can get the information here. National helpline numbers are also available. 1075. You can call to 1075 if you have any coronavirus, or if anybody have coronavirus in your area also. Please inform to that toll-free number. They come the hospital nurses or doctors, some important doctors or some volunteers, anybody, they will send the persons to your house, and they can take care about that coronavirus peoples so who has attacked. And also this is the number, also toll free number. Not only this is the toll free number, you can get the toll free number, and also you can get the another number in your area also. So if you call to that toll free number. So source also, this is source from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So COVID-19 dashboard as on date 10th April. So because of this, nearly 13 days over, cases overview. Andhra Pradesh confirmed 364, recovered 11, deaths 6. India confirmed how many? So 7,529 on the date 10th April. So and recovered 653, deaths 242. So worldwide, if you see worldwide, how many confirmed means 17 lakhs 12,674 people. See, recovered how many? 3 lakhs 88,910, and deaths more than 1 lakh. So 1 lakh 3,796. See people, that's why take care about coronavirus and don't fear about coronavirus. So don't do anything. So district reporting, you can get the district reporting according to your site also. So in Andhra Pradesh, in India, in each state districts also can get the report from this link. So this is recorded on the 18th April. You can get the latest also. So just simply I am informing and also I have gathered the information state and district wise details of positive cases of coronavirus COVID-19. State Andhra Pradesh, number of districts affected, how many districts affected in Andhra Pradesh means. So it's the correct information I have gathered from the government website. So districts are also are as follows along with the number of positive cases. So Anantapur 2, Chittoor 10, East Godavari 11, Guntur 30, Kadapa 23, Krishna 24, Kurnool 4, Nellore 32, Prakasham 21, Visakhapatnam 15, West Godavari is 15, and total number of positive cases is 200. See friends, like this. And if you take from the in state or district wise details of positive cases of COVID-19 in the Telangana statements, number of districts affected is 23, so 23 nearly. So districts are as follows. So along with number of positive cases, Adilabad 9, Bhupalapalli, it means Jaishankar 1, Gadwal, Jogulamba 5, Hyderabad 113, Hyderabad rural Rangareddy 16, Jigitchal 2, Janagan is 2, Kamareddy 10, Karimnagar is 17, and Kottagudem, Badadri, it means Badadri 4, Mahbub Nagar 4, Mahbubabad 1, Medak 5, Mechal 15, Nagar Kurnool 2, Nalgonda 13, Nizamabad 18, Sangareddy 6, Siddipeta 1, Suryapet 1, Warangal 22, Warangal rural 2, Yadadri 52. So total number of positive cases 321 friends. So like this you can get the information. Know every day, day by day. So nation news in India about coronavirus. So see friends, so this is the news I have collected from the site. You please watch here, pause and check the report. So total COVID-19 state-wise status as on 22 April 2020 at 8 o'clock according to the world time. And this is Andaman, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, like this. This is total confirmed cases and cured, discharged, migrated, and this is deaths, how many deaths. See Telangana, how many? 919 and 190, 23. If you go up, our Andhra Pradesh, see how Andhra Pradesh, how many? Andhra Pradesh 757 total confirmed cases, 96 cured and 20 deaths. So on the time 22nd April. So this is the information. I have got the report from the below government website, official website, mohfw.gov.in. So April 19, 2020, evening 5 o'clock 26, 5:26 p.m. So no fresh COVID-19 case reported in last 14 days from 54 districts of 23 states. So there is no report got from the 23 states of the 54 districts. So no report, no coronavirus reports. So they have mentioned, they have got the report. So a total of 1,334 fresh confirmed cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of 15,712. As many as 2,231 patients have been have recovered and have been discharged from the hospitals, while 507 patients have died. No new case has been reported in Mahe in Puducherry and in Kodugu district of Karnataka in the last 20 days. So, friends, briefing media in New Delhi today, Health Ministry spokesman said 54 districts from 23 states and UTs have not reported fresh cases in last 14 days. He said 755 dedicated hospitals and 1389 dedicated healthcare centers in this country are working for the treatment of critical patients, and he also listed out services which will be given relaxation from tomorrow during the lockdown. So lockdown, they have released some few information to the public peoples. So according to the April 19, 15,719 COVID-19 cases reported in the country. So for death toll climbs to 500 someone. See friends, so you can please I can't read here, I will pause here. Please pause this video here and study here, read the information here friends. So April 19, 2020 in the afternoon 2 o'clock 25 minutes, all works related to agriculture, some other activities to start tomorrow. Prakash Javadekar, sorry, Javadekar. So Mr. Prakash Javadekar means who will see. So Union Information and Broadcasting Minister. So he is the Union Information and Broadcasting Minister. Mr. Prakash Javadekar said that all works related to agriculture and some other activities will start from tomorrow. It means so and from 20th onwards. So when they have given information 19th, so it means from 20th onwards, so their works will they can start. See friends, watch, see any video, listen completely. So any education, learn, like, share. Any education, please learn it, like it, share it. So here, any work, learn, do hardly, earn more money, slowly, no talent needed. See friends, here, so regarding money means everybody, I will tell few points here, very few points about the money. Because of if you want to do any work, so whatever work you know that work, learn the work. If you don't have the, if you don't know that work, learn the work hardly and learn the work very neatly, perfectly, and do hard work and get the money and earn the more money. But don't earn money immediately, more money. If you get more money, it definitely will collapse. Definitely that money will lose. Definitely that money will last. So it at any time in your life, because of earn the money slowly, little. So don't get more money at one time, at once. So this is a very request, and this is everybody know very well about the money, how to earn money. So somebody will earn, so according to their experience they can earn it. So here, do hard work, earn more money slowly, and also don't waste your money and don't waste your time. So time is valuable, money is valuable. So once the money is lost, you can't get it money back. Once time is lost, you can't get the time is back. Once so time is lost means so nobody can't give the time, nobody can't give the money. Like that money also very important, time also very important. So use that money and use that time at the correct time, at the correct place, correct situation also. So here, no talent needed. If you don't have the any talent also, no clever also, no knowledge also, you can get the knowledge, you can learn that work, then you can earn more money. So if you don't have the money also, if you ask from other people, so if you ask to your family members, if you ask to your parents also, if your brothers or sisters or brother-in-law, sister-in-law, or whoever may be, from your wife or from your wife's aunties and auntie or uncles also, definitely everybody they will help you in certain time, in past days or present days or future days also. So according to your situation or according to your mentality, your discipline, your good manners, they will give the money to you. So or you can get the money from the others. So sometimes if you give the money others, if you donate the money to other people, so definitely you can get the money. So otherwise you can't get the money also. If you ask money, if you ask any debts from the other people, non-people also, if they give money and if you utilize that money after some months or years, if you repay that money also immediately to that people, so definitely they will help again. So otherwise they can't help, because that is a very difficult method. So this is the corona situation. Why I'm telling here few points. So I am also got in most difficulties, many difficulties about the money also. So nobody can't help to money to me also. So some main people, so some my parents also, they have helped. My father also helped, my dad also helped, my mother also, my mom also helped in some situations also. So my brothers also helped, and also my sister also helped, my brother-in-law also helped, my wife also helped. So everybody is helping in past days and present and future days also. So all times they can't help now. So I have also faced so many difficulties in money also. So I have any money, but I can't utilize it very well, because of if you earn the money also, it is not sufficient to use in our lives nowadays, because of sufficient money also not suitable to our life life things. So whatever we are utilizing, whatever we are using also. So that's why I'm telling, please save your money and utilize your money carefully, whatever you got it. So and also I am very great thankful to some my parents also. So my mom also helped, my before my father also expired, more than I think in 2007 my father also expired. Also I'm very great thankful to my dad also. And also in meantime, after my father also expired, my mom also helped, my brother Mr. Mohan Krishna also helped very well. And also my he is a younger brother, and also my elder brother is Mr. Devarkonda Sri Krishnaya, and also helped many times, more times also. And also my elder brother Devarkonda Sri Krishnaya, he also taught some work about the electrician to plumbing work also very nicely. I have learned from him, because of my brother is my teacher. So in some situation, because of in past days also, if I don't have any job also, if I left the job also, in that time I have learned the electrical work and plumbing work also. And also in before that days also, before learning that data also, I have learnt from the government department. So from a polytechnic college, I have got the certificates about the electrician also. So like that, I am great thankful to my brother, elder brother Sri Krishna, and also I'm great thankful to Mr. Mohan Krishna, and also my sister-in-law also great thankful, and my sister-in-law, younger sister-in-law also, Lakshmi, and elder sister also Krishnavani. So both of them very thankful. And also in nowadays also, after got my marriage also, my wife Mrs. Sunita also helped very lot of help she has done to me. And also not only she also not only her, but also her parents also, my auntie and uncle, and Mr. Vadi Chinavasu and Mrs. Vadi Subhamma. She also helped to me. And also Mr. Vadi Chinavasu, he also helped to me in many times also. And many times means some after marriage also, at the time of marriage also, he has helped to me, and he has given finance also, he has given some money also. And now also I cannot repay that money, because of it's a situation. So some situation it comes. So even if you earning monthly by monthly, so it's not saving some money to clear that my debts. So that's the situation. Please don't face like this situations in your life. So this is I'm telling about my life. And don't do any wrong steps, and save your money, earn money correctly, and use in correct places, and spend the money in correct time, and whatever you want in your family, for your family. And also great thankful to my Mrs. Sunita, Devarkonda Sunita, and also great thankful to my uncle, my wife's parents, Mrs. Vadi Subhamma and Mr. Vadi Chinavasu, and also some other people. So my sister, my wife's sisters, they also helped to me, and great thankful to them also. And they are the Malaiti Varalakshmi and her husband Malaiti Subbarayadu, and also Chedulla, my sisters, my wife's sisters, elder sister Yedulla or Lakshmi Devi and her husband is Chedula Nagaranga, and great thankful to them also. They have also helped some many times. So because of why I'm telling the thanks to them means they have helped, but I am unable to help them. So the time it comes, so when the time comes, definitely I will help them, and also I will clear all my debts also. So what I have I got the money from the other peoples, and also I have got the great help past 3 years back also from the one marketing, that is a agency, that is a Star Marketing and Sri Durga Marketing, and they have also helped me, and they have also in some critical situations, in difficult situations also, in every month they have helped to me, and they have helped in my salary accounts also. They have helped some loan also I have given. They have given to loan to me, and also some loan amount also repaid them, and remaining balance amount I am unable to pay. Definitely I will pay the money to them. Also I am great thankful to the Sri Durga Marketing owners also, and also Star Marketing owners also. Present they have divided or combined, I don't know, and whatever it may be. So great thankful to the Star Marketing owners and Sri Durga Marketing owners. So this is a small matter I have to talk to you people. Please don't face like this situation. So please don't skip this video or any of my videos. Please, friends, please don't skip this video or any of my videos. You may get confused. So please watch the end of this video or any of my videos. So get experience, become trainer. Get experience, become trainer. So that's why I'm telling you. So watch everything in any of my videos or any of my videos, or in this video also, or any of YouTuber videos also. Please watch end of the video. So don't skip. If you know very well about that topic information, you can cut that video or you can skip that video. You can watch any other videos, friends. So that's why. So after watching, you can get some experience, and you can become a trainer also. You can tell to others. So teach or tell or explain to anybody or to anyone. Be happy, get satisfaction. Be happy. Teach, చెప్పండి, explain చేయండి, బాగా వివరంగా చెప్పండి. It means, sorry, I am telling in Telugu. So teach or tell, explain to anybody. Be happy, get satisfaction. So get the satisfaction after telling. Then only you can get one satisfaction. So this is a coronavirus lockdown updated news in India, national portal of India. So this is the website, you can get the information. So April 17 to 21, central government asks states to ensure safety, shelter and food for stranded migrant workers. So please, I can't tell the information, friends. You please pause the video here and study everything. Please pass here, friends, and read it. April 19, 6 evening 6:59 p.m. around 7 o'clock. So COVID-19 does not see race or border, and India's response should attach primacy to unity and brotherhood. PM Modi, Mr. PM Modi, Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister, Pradhan Mantri means Prime Minister Modi said. We will see what he said. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir has said COVID-19 does not see race, religion, color, caste, creed, language or border before striking, and India's response and conduct thereafter should attach primary to unity and brotherhood in a post on LinkedIn. So Mr. Modi sir said, unlike previous movements in history when countries or societies faced off against each other, today the world is facing a common challenge. He added that the figure will be about togetherness and resilience. So the Prime Minister said that said the next big ideas from India should find global relevance and application. They should have the ability to drive a positive change. So not merely for India but for the entire humankind. So saying that coronavirus has significantly changed the contours of professional life. Mr. Modi has added that these days home is the new office and internet is the new meeting room. So this is the coronavirus came out. That's why they is saying is a great thing, great matter to know and to avoid. And also it is one of the main room. So one is the main internet. So like this is a new office and internet is the new meeting room. He said today the world is in pursuit of new business models and he said that today the world is in pursuit of new business models models and India, a youthful nation known for its innovative zeal can take the lead in providing a new work culture. He said this new business and work culture should be redefined on the vowels of AEIOU. So in alphabets, we will say alphabets, there's consonants and vowels are there. So he has compared with the vowels. So he has given a definition, I think we will know. So AEIOU. So where A stands for adaptability, E for efficiency, I for inclusivity, O for opportunity, and U for universalism. Mr. Modi said these will become essential ingredients of any business model in the post-COVID world. The Prime Minister said that the need of the hour is to think of business and lifestyle models that are easily adaptable, and the emphasis should be on completing a task in the specified time frame. He emphasized on the need to develop business models that attack primacy to care for the poor, the most vulnerable, as well as the planet. Mr. Modi also said India can emerge as nerve center of complex modern supply chains. So in the post coronavirus world, so like this world is coronavirus is there, so in our body how the nerve centers of complex modern supply chains, like that he has compared. So in April 19, 2:13 p.m. So spraying chemical disinfectants on individual or group is physically and psychologically harmful. Health Ministry has said. We will know what he said. So please you read here, friends. So this is very harmful, they are told. So Health and Family Welfare Ministry has said that spraying of chemical disinfectants on individual or group is physically and psychologically harmful. So Health Ministry has issued an advisory against spraying of disinfectant on people for COVID-19 management, saying spraying of chemical disinfectants on individual or groups were not recommended under any circumstances. Health and Family Welfare has received many queries regarding the efficiency of use of disinfectants such as sodium hypochlorite spray used over the individuals to disinfect them. Ministry said that inhalation of sodium hypochlorite can lead to irritation of mucous membranes of nose, so throat, like this, throat, respiratory tract, and may also cause bronchospasms. So it's some disease that comes like that, they are informing, and they don't spray the chemicals on the peoples, on the persons, in the public people. So that is how mentioned clear here. So here you please read here, friends. No time here, I will pass it. So April 19, 2 p.m. Supply of non-essential goods by e-commerce companies will remain prohibited during lockdown. So Home Ministry today said that supply of non-essential goods by e-commerce companies will remain prohibited during lockdown. Union Home Secretary Mr. Ajay Bhalla issued an order excluding the non-essential items from sale by the e-commerce companies from the consolidated revised guidelines, which listed the exemption given to the services and people from the purview of the lockdown. So on April 19th, this is April 19 in the afternoon 2 o'clock 12 p.m. So no cut in central government pensions government. So going to the government has dismissed a new report that a 20% cut in central government pensions in being planned. It has termed the news as false. In a tweet, Ministry of Finance has clarified that there will be no cut in pension disbursements, and the ministry also clarified that salaries and pensions will not be affected by government cash management instructions. So there is no effect. So everybody will get the pensions who are having the pensions account. So April 19, over 36,659 crores transferred amount using direct benefit transfer in bank accounts of 16 crores 0.01 crores beneficiaries during lockdown. So see how much they have transferred the amount to the public account beneficiaries. So see friends, more than rupees 36,659 crores have been transferred by using direct benefit transfer in the bank accounts of 16.01 crores beneficiaries during COVID-19 lockdown. So direct benefit transfer ensures that cash benefit is directly credited to the account of the beneficiary and eliminates leakage and improves efficiency. The total direct benefit transfer amount disbursed has increased from 20% in 2018 to 19 to 45% in 2019-20. So during the lockdown, the DBT means direct benefit transfer payments and all the central sector and centrally sponsored schemes amounted to over rupees 27,442 crores in the accounts of over 11 crores 42 lakhs beneficiaries. So the schemes include PM Kisan, Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Scheme, Prime Minister's Matru Vandana Yojana, among others. Payments were also made under the PM Garib Kalyan Yojana, and rupees 500 were credited in the women account holder of Jandan accounts. There were 19.86 crores of women beneficiaries till 13th of this month. So 500 rupees every women account also they have got the amount from the government, central government. So they have mentioned here. This has resulted in disbursement of rupees 9,930 crores. Many state governments like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura and others have used DBT to transfer cash in bank accounts through 180 welfare schemes to over 4 crores 50 lakhs beneficiaries. See friends. So April 20th, so in the afternoon 2 o'clock 7 p.m. Government allows certain relaxations from today in the notified services in areas without hotspots. So no relaxation. So in containment areas, it means in red zones, the conditions and the rules and regulations it will follow as it is, and the remaining whereas the no coronavirus areas, in those areas some relaxations government has given. So let us know about. So the central government will allow certain relaxations from today. Today means after 20th. Today in the notified services in areas, I think 3 days over this notification has given. In the notified services in areas without hotspots, in the wake of extension of national lockdown till 3rd May, a series of directives have been put in place to ensure a strict compliance of lockdown. However, keeping in mind the current financial situation of low-income earners and farmers, the center had said that it will be permitting a few more services to function in areas that are not COVID-19 containment zones from today. Operations of the fishing, aquaculture industry, movement of fish and fish products and workers of all those activities are allowed. The guidelines also allows operations tea, coffee and rubber plantations with maximum of 50% workers. These limited exemptions will be operationalized by states, union territories, district administration based on strict compliance to the existing guidelines. Before allowing the select activities, states, union territories, district administration will ensure that all preparatory arrangements with regard to standard operating procedures for social distancing in offices, so workplaces, factories and establishments and other sectorial requirements are in place. So all agricultural and horticulture activities, including farming operations by farmers and farm workers in field agencies engaged in procurement of agriculture products, including MSP operations. So MAND is operated by the Agriculture Produce Market Committee. Shops of agriculture machinery will remain fully functional during this time. So I don't have coronavirus, friends. Please a little cough, so not more than nothing. So I am taking care here. So see if we go to next point. Movement of all trucks and other good carrier vehicles with 2 drivers and 1 helper, subject to the driver carrying a valid driving license, including an empty truck, to be allowed to ply after the delivery of goods or for pickup of goods. In addition, all financially related institutions and health related services will remain fully functional. In a major relaxation, services provided by self-employed persons like electrician. See, friends, it's a very good thing to hand workers also. Self-employed persons like electrician, IT repairs, plumbers, motor mechanics and other and carpenters will also be allowed to operate in all such areas which are not demarcated as containment zones. So it means red zone areas. So whereas the coronavirus affected very much and very high area. So coronavirus where the coronavirus has been attacked, in that red zone area, you no need to do work. So don't go there and do work. And where has the no coronavirus, where is the completely no virus, in that places you can do the work. So this is the meaning here. And also I no need to tell about that meaning. You can easily understand those knowledge, everything, everybody. The guidelines also stated that work at construction projects where workers are available on site and no workers are required to be brought in from outside to begin in such municipalities or municipal corporations private vehicles for emergency services including medical and veterinary care and for procuring essential commodities would also be allowed. Industries operating in rural areas and outside the limits of municipal corporations and municipalities and manufacturing and other industrial establishments with access control in special economic zones and export oriented units, industrial estates and industrial townships will be allowed to function. Courier services, cold storage, private security services, hotels accommodating people stranded due to lockdown have been allowed to operate. So lockdown, during the lockdown, so they have given this some little allowance to do work and to open the shops also. So what offices, what shops who want to work, who want to do work in outside, they have given the clear clarity also here. Please understand here, please study here. So safety and prevention tips: stay home, save lives. Okay, stay home, save lives. So general public health information, to go to this website and know about coronavirus, full information, videos, links and full information in English and also as well as in English, Telugu also. So one know how to use your own homemade reusable face cover. So this YouTube link is available in that website. I have given the all these links below the video description. The description itself, you can find it and you can watch those YouTube links. So COVID-19, know the right way to wash your hands. How to wash your hands about that coronavirus. So now coronavirus is running in the world. So how to take care like that. So you can watch these videos. So number 3 is COVID-19 watch. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan are also sharing his thoughts on coronavirus 17/3/20, and also number 4 COVID-19 coronavirus symptoms. Also one video is there, so it has recorded, it has made on 17/3/2020, uploaded in YouTube by the government, central government. So wash your hands regularly to protect yourself and your loved ones. So this video also made on March 3. And declaring symptoms reflects your duty to protect others. So these are the declaring symptoms. These are the symptoms for the coronavirus, like that they have told in that video. Please watch this video to know more. So responsible behavior may save you and others. Let's fight together. So fight together about the coronavirus, to fight the coronavirus and take the prevention. So do the good things and follow the good instructions and right instructions by the government and according to the police department. Also, please help the police department to stop the coronavirus. So from person to person. So please help them and please take the suggestions and do the instructions of follow the instructions according to the police department and by the government also. So watch these videos also. Official updates on coronavirus, COVID-19 news. So you can watch this website also about more news. So coronavirus disease, COVID-19, also called 2019 NCOV. So 2019 novel coronavirus. So the disease causes respiratory illness. So the disease causes respiratory illness like the flu. So with the symptoms such as cough, fever, and in more severe cases difficulty breathing, and you can protect yourself by washing your hands frequently, avoiding touching face and avoiding close contact. And so please please maintain a distance. So 1 meter distance, 1 meter distance, or 3 feet distance from person to person. So in your family or in anywhere outside also, so in your relatives or public people also, please maintain a distance, maintain a social distance between person to person, people to people, and with people who are unwell. So those who are having unhealthy, so please maintain distance. So if you don't have a unhealthy also, if you have good health also, please maintain distance to not getting that coronavirus. So coronavirus disease spreads primarily through contact with an infected person when they cough or sneeze. So cough or sneeze like that, cough or sneeze. It also spreads when a person touches surface or anything in place, any objects, any places also. Okay, touches a surface or objects that has the virus on it. So then touches their eyes or nose or mouth, immediately the coronavirus, those symptoms, those air in the air, some objects are there. So that small micro organs, it will spread the virus in your body. So through that eyes or nose or mouth. So without washing your hands, before washing your hands. So first of all, you have to wash your hands and touch anything anywhere, and also use the mask also, mask. And if you have means hand gloves, please wear the hand gloves. So learn more about it in this website, www.who.int. So WHO, this is the World Health Organization website. You can find more information. Coronavirus disease, COVID-19 pandemic. So the director also in the World Health Organization department, he is the director, WHO director general. So Mr. I don't know clarity here. Please find it in website. He also made a video also. He has given information to the public people, so to the world people also. Please watch that video. So according to the World Health Organization, the report is coronavirus disease COVID-19 outbreak situation is 23,19,666 confirmed cases and more than 1,57,970 confirmed deaths. So see, more like 1.5 lakh people has been died. So 213 countries, this information has gathered from the 213 countries or areas or territories with cases. So these are the symptoms, friends. So symptoms, how it is, people may be sick with the virus from 1 to 14 days before developing symptoms. The most common symptoms of coronavirus disease COVID-19 are fever, tiredness and dry cough. Most people, about 80% people like that. So recover from the disease without needing special treatment. So more rarely the disease can be serious and even fatal. So older people and people with other medical conditions such as asthma, diabetes or heart disease may be more vulnerable to becoming severely ill. So people may experience cough, fever and tiredness, difficulty breathing. So severe cases. So who advises people of all ages to take steps to protect themselves from the virus? For example, by following good hand hygiene and good respiratory hygiene. So please study these pictures, friends. I have added for knowing about the coronavirus. So these are the COVID-19 symptoms. Contagion preventions. Coronavirus infographic symptoms, preventions. Like this you have to prevent. Use mask and use also, if you have wear gloves also, hand gloves, friends. Mask like this. So already first I told you like this, wear mask like this. Okay, friends. So this is the mask. So use a very good cotton cloth masks also. It is available in the medical shop also, or also you can make it from your home with tailoring machine. Coronavirus protection. So coronavirus safety precautions like this. American Red Cross follow these easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. So disinfect your surfaces around your home and work. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds or 1 minute. You can do it. Sneeze or cough. Cover your mouth. China coronavirus. The symptoms of 2019 NCOV and how it spreads. So fever, chest pain, chills, rapid heartbeat, breathing difficulties, pneumonia, kidney failure. So spread via coughing and sneezing. So headache, sore throat, cough, and shortness of breath. So like this, if you go outside public, also maintain the like this masks, so mouth masks or nose masks. So to avoid the coronavirus. So if you get any cough also, please put some good cloth in kerchief or mask before coughing or also before sneezing. So coronavirus COV symptoms. So this is pneumonia. Some picture is there. So please risk factors there. So these lungs like this. So if you get the coronavirus like this, the corona's medical picture like this, please understand. In blood itself like this, in lungs also. So immediately if you take treatment, definitely you can get out from the coronavirus. You can cure your health. Let us together fight the coronavirus COVID-19. Catch up on your reading list. Stay at home. Stay home India with books and read your books or download PDF of selected NBT books for free. And also you can avoid places with large gathering. Clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap or water. Maintain social distancing. Avoid travel avoid travel as much as possible. Avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth. Cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. So if you have fever, cough and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early. Avoid spreading rumors through social media apps. Okay. So coronavirus symptoms like this. So like this it is first time coronavirus symptoms has been found in Wuhan city in China. So fever, headache like this, chest pain and also pneumonia, kidney failure, severe cough, sore throat, runny nose. Coronavirus, this is the medical pictures I have gathered on the website I told you. So please analyze here, read it, study it, know it very well and take care. So don't fear about it. Protect others from getting. So stop coronavirus. Let us get together fight. So everybody help to each other. So stop COVID-19. So there are some more than 70 group of scientist groups. They are making or they are producing the new medicine. So for the antivirus, there is anti-medicine for this coronavirus. They are finding. Friends, this is the way that how to control and protect our health and our family life and world people life from coronavirus COVID-19. Now you all understood perfectly. Like this, you have to use above all health precautions easily from coronavirus COVID-19. This is friends, this is the part 1 video, and please watch next part 2 video, and don't miss that also. Remaining about coronavirus, everything is available in part 2 also, please. If anybody not subscribed to my channel, friends, please subscribe to my channel immediately, and please support to my channel, friends. This is my kind request to all the people, all public people, all the interested people, all the YouTube viewers, all social media friends also. Please subscribe to my channel. Please help to my channel. Please support to my channel, friends. If you support me, I will make many videos, more videos lifelong. If you like this video, friends, if you like this video, friends, please share, like it. Like this video, please like it and share it to friends, family members, and neighbors, and known people, everybody. So how many people, if you want to share this, please share this video to them. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. Below this video you can find the subscribe button, red color, and click that subscribe button, and get the that red color button is available, that is a bell icon. Please check that bell icon and hit that bell button. Immediately select the all option or personalized option, and you can get the latest updated videos to your mobile before than all others. Okay friends, don't forget to subscribe. Friends, I have given the my channel links also below the video in the description itself. You can find that channel links, and come to that channel's link and join that subscribe to my channels also. And also if you can get the group links also, that is a social media group links also available in the description itself. Please find those links and join in that groups also. In Facebook page, Facebook group link, and Telegram, WhatsApp group links also are available. And if you want any doubt, you can come and ask. And if you want to follow me, you can follow on the Instagram and Twitter and LinkedIn also available. Those group links also I have given below the video in the description itself. Please find it, and please join in that group. And if you have any doubts, please ask that related to in that topic what I have made the videos, or what I am going to making the new videos also related to that topic also. You can ask the doubts, definitely I will clarify. But also if I know very well also, definitely. And also please give your valuable suggestions, definitely I will take it, and give your support also. If you like this video, please like it and share to your friends. So coronavirus video part 1 end. So please see remaining info video in part 2, friends. Don't forget to watch.